Have you ever heard about electromagnetic radiation? It is so sci-fi term that many of us think it as something of a horror scenarios. Although the light we see is also a tiny part of this electromagnetic radiation. So what exactly is electromagnetic radiation is? We will know about it in just 2 minutes. There are many kind of energy in our universe. Sound, heat and light are few of them. Electromagnetic radiation is also a form of energy that is all around us and takes many forms such as radio waves, microwaves, X-rays and gamma rays. Sunlight is also a form of EM energy. Electricity and magnetism were once thought to be separate forces. However, in 1873, Scottish physicist James Clerk Maxwell developed a unified theory of electromagnetism. He stated that electricity and magnetism are both a side of a same coin. He further explains that if we move an electric field which is created by electricity, then we will also create magnetic field along with it. The opposite of this is also true. Basically, both electricity and magnetism create each other when they are moving. This is where our actual electromagnetic radiation comes from. Electromagnetic radiation is created when an atomic particle such as an electron is accelerated by an electric field causing it to move. The movement produces oscillating electric and magnetic fields both, and these fields unifiedly known as the electromagnetic radiation. Photons is also an example of atomic particle which actually produce our visible light, travel in waves at the speed of 300 million meters per second in a vacuum, also known as the speed of light. So in a simpler word, any atomic particle that moves in a presence of electric field creates a radiation, but our visible light is actually a small part of EM radiation. There are more than 7 kinds of EM radiation which is based on how high the frequency is. Wave frequency is basically a kind of how many waves an electron makes per second. Due to this, there are varies of frequency making a range of frequencies that are termed by our scientists. The EM spectrum is generally divided into 7 regions in order of decreasing wavelength and increasing energy or frequency. Gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible light, infrared, microwaves, radio waves and long radio waves are actually the part of the electromagnetic radiation. Although the light is actually a kind of radiation, but they are not harmful to us as we can manage the amount of radiation coming from it. But if we talk about X-rays and gamma rays, they are lethal to our body and can make you die in any moment. Hopefully you understand the concept of electromagnetic radiation. So until the next amazing video, keep hitting your blind spot.